Today we're unboxing Acer's 9-in-1 USB Type-C hub. And the actual reason I picked this one is because it's got a VGA and HDMI connection, as this is going to end up being a gift to my dad, who does a lot of presentations. And right now he has a MacBook that only has Type-C connections, so I want him to have the ability to connect up his laptop to projectors, and I think this one fits the bill perfectly. It also comes with a lot of other connections, so it's got 3 USB Type-A running at 3.0 speeds, a USB Type-C that can do 100 watts, an HDMI connection that can do 4K at 30 Hz, 2 media card readers, one for SD and one for TF, an Ethernet port with an RJ45 connection of 1 GB per second, and the previously talked about VGA connection at 1080p. And this all connects to your computer or laptop with a single USB Type-C. And then overall build quality is very nice, although it feels extraordinarily light. It feels quite cheap. However, of course, it is just a dongle, and it most likely will do the job very well for the long term. And if you're looking to pick something like this up, you'll find a link in the description below. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.